Hello, welcome to your next lesson in StudySync. Today we are going to talk about career development from mandatory volunteer work for teenagers. Guidance counselors will tell you that career development involves building skills, determining interests, exploring possibilities, setting goals, and taking action. As you find and develop interests, you may decide to look for opportunities to gain experience to see if an interest might turn into a career path. Volunteering is one way to strengthen existing skills and develop new ones, gain job experience, and even try on possible careers. Regardless of whether you're applying for a volunteer position or a paying job, two skills are vitally important: knowing how to write a simple business letter that shows interest in a position, and two, knowing how to fill out a job application effectively. The first step to a career is getting your foot in the door, and understanding how to write effectively is key. So you'll come over, now that you have your definition, to the model section. Read your identification and application. Then you've got a model of a business letter. And then application is down here. And then you'll come over to the Your Turn section, read this tiny little excerpt, and then answer part A and part B. So that's your first part. Your second part comes over to a new story called A House Divided Speech. And you're going to be going to the tone section. And you're going to look at the definition. The tone of a text expresses the attitude of an author toward a subject, a character, or a person, or an audience. An author's tone might convey a variety of attitudes, such as sympathy, rage, irony, sadness, bitterness, humor, or seriousness. You're probably already accustomed to listening for tone in your everyday conversations. When a speaker stresses certain words or phrases, we commonly refer to it as the speaker's tone of voice. In poetry, fiction, and informational texts, authors convey tone through elements such as word choice, sentence structure, and figures of speech. In an informational text, for example, authors often use an objective tone to prove they are unbiased, credible sources of facts and information. Authors may also express tone through connotation or the emotion associated with certain words. The sentence, "Jan cowered in a corner," suggests fear better than "Jan hid in the corner," because coward is more closely associated with fear than hid. Punctuation is another tool through which authors can express tone. This is evident to stress a point. A writer uses one or more exclamation marks to grab a reader's attention. So you have your definition, now your model, identification, application, your model, and then come over to the Your Turn section, read this section from the story, answer part A and part B. Don't forget to click Submit Assignment when you're done. That's all you need to do. Thanks. Have a great day.